It's BC for Get Lowered, and my bike has one huge seat. We're going to take care of that by installing the Pera barebones seat for Harley touring. First things first, if you're installing the seat on a touring bike, you're going to have a little screw right back here. Unscrew that and your seat's going to lift right up and slide right back. You've probably noticed my bike's not a trailer queen. There's some scratches, there's a couple of scuff marks. I ride my bike. These things happen over time. I've tried to take care of it, but, well, it does happen. So one thing that I did do was I went ahead and picked up the fender bib from Mustang, which will cover this up and kind of help to protect that rear fender from getting any more messed up than it already is. Now that I've got my fender bib in place, the next thing we're going to do is take the Pera bare bones and we're going to slide the tab that sits right under here, right into this bracket. The bare bones does have some really nice rubber feet to keep your paint protected. It's got a solid metal pan, which is a nice change from a lot of the fiberglass stuff that we see out there. Now that we've gotten the stock seat out of the way, all we have to do is attach these couple of brackets, and these brackets are going to sit right over these mounting studs right here. I chose to go with the standard vinyl. However, they do have some pattern vinyl for these as well. They're going to cost you a few bucks extra, but if that's the look that you're going for, it's probably worth it for you. Our next step is to screw down our covers right here. Now, the Pera does not come with these covers. You can pick them up for a couple of bucks. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed by the Pera bare bones. As a matter of fact, I'm really pretty surprised by it. I knew that it was going to look good. I can see pictures all over the internet. But what I wasn't so sure about was how it was going to feel. And honestly, it's a really comfortable seat. Anything for a couple hours around town, maybe, a day trip, I think it's going to be just fine for you. Now, obviously, it's not as comfortable, it's not as cushy as my gigantic seat that I took off of this mic, but it's not intended to be. The bare bones is exactly that. It is a bare bones stripped down seat for that minimalist look that shows off the lines of your bike instead of where your butt goes. You can tell by the feel that it's just a quality piece of workmanship, so I'm not at all surprised that this is a consummate favorite. You can find great reviews all over the internet. Make sure to check out the Pera bare bones and the full selection of seats for your Harley at getlowered.com.